Okay, so now I will show you how you can start using ChatGPT. First, go to Google and search ChatGPT. There it is. This is ChatGPT, a popular AI that gives responses in text and other formats. We'll get to that in detail later. In this course, we are learning ChatGPT 3.5. ChatGPT 4.0 is the premium version that can do a lot more than just text-based responses. It can produce realistic images, videos. You can even input different files in your response. But only ChatGPT 3.5 is free and 4.0 is paid. But right now, we are learning the ChatGPT 3.5. So let's start. First, you need to create an account with ChatGPT. I will show you the sign-up process. You can follow up with me and create your own account. You can continue by putting your email or with the Google account, however you like. Click on Yes. Put your name and your date of birth. Great, it's done. There you go. This is the interface. You can see a text box at the bottom. That's where you give commands or write your prompt and chat easily. The sign-up process was pretty easy. In the next lesson, we will learn how to prompt effectively. See you in the next video.